Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up or create employee work anniversary in QuickBooks Online. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can go to your workflow automation here in the top right corner. If you cannot find it, you can just go to your search box in the top and you can search workflow and you will find workflow automation. You can click on it and then you will find a lot of templates here, but we're gonna create new one. You can just click this green icon plus custom workflow, and then you can choose obviously employee, and then you can set up reminder and click next. And then for the name, you can name it maybe employee work anniversary, like that. And then send reminder 1 day before employees works anniversary, so you will get notification or reminder. So the next day you can celebrate it, something like that. And you can choose the time and you can choose to send a company email, so you'll get a reminder via email. And then it's obviously active and is yes. Then after that, if you think all good, you can just click save and turn on. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.